this is the time also to apply loads. Okay, we applied the boundary already. We already applied the boundary in both sides. So this stiffener is they're not here. We can apply directly the stiffener. We can apply the force to this stiffener for a project. This stiffener they've been used to just reduce the capacity of the force to this flash and to this web. Okay. So now we have to create the we need to create the force, the load. I'm gonna go and create the load. But before that, we have to create a step. We need to create step. Okay. We need to create step. I'm gonna go on step here. I'll click on step. Then create step. Create step. And then the step should be concentrated load. Okay, just a name, and then should be static general, and then I'm gonna go and continue. Description, we don't need to give anything here. We don't need to change anything. The time period should be only one. Okay, and okay, now it's over. We can just go back again to the loads, and then we can create our load. We can apply our load. The load that I'm gonna place in our projects, we took 11.16 because at that time at the space of at the distance of 37 millimeter is when we see the bearing capacity to reach the maximum value. So I'm gonna take 11.61. So I will go here on the load, apply load, load. Let's say let's just call it concentrated load or force. It's force. Force. Okay, then should be mechanical, should be concentrated force, of course, and then go to continue. Then here they're gonna ask us sets. We don't have a set though. We don't have a set. You have to create a set. For the load, we don't have a set for the load. Or I can just make it directly. Let me just use directly. It's better instead of creating. I need the sets to be here. This part. I'm gonna hold shift. Let me see if I can select both at the same time. Shift. Escape. Hold shift again. Yeah, I can select both at the same time, I think. Yep. So it's in the middle. And then after that, I'm gonna just click on enter. And then the force should be always in SV2, SF2, and then should be negative value because it's going downward, as I already said before. And then I will take 11.61. Okay, 11.61 for both sides. Follow the node rotation, doesn't matter. Let me just go here. Okay, press OK. Now we have our nodes. Now we apply our node already. Let's see if it's gonna be. We have to change something. If we made a mistake before, the computer will tell us. But everything has been created properly. I've been assigned. We create everything that we needed. Now let's we mesh everything. So we have to go on job. We can create this job. Let's go on job. Let's create our job. I'm gonna tell you something. It's better to put the name of the job should be identical of your model. It's just like I like it like that. Every time that I'm doing like that, it's work. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I'm gonna pick the same name: YouTube Edge parent beam. Okay, parent beam. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, continue. no description at all. Then here I can submit it and then see what's going to be the problem. If I apply too much load on it, or the words, or can I say the um the type constraints on sometimes a problem. So you have to change you have to, if there's a problem, the computer will tell you. Let's see, our model is YouTube. This is the trend. This is the one that we're using. I'm gonna submit it now and then see if there's any problem. It has been submitted for analysis. It's been running. Let's see. It has been completely submitted. Let's see. Okay, no problem. You can see, right? This is sometimes as an engineer, right? It's when we see this kind of message, you're happy because you know that you didn't make any mistake, right? And then you just release because you don't need to repeat the same process over and over. Because sometimes you might skip one step and then suddenly the computer tell you, I don't want this. Okay, now I'm happy though. You can see they say the job YouTube parents BIM has been completed successfully. You can see everything here properly. Then now you can go on monitor. If you have any mistake, if you go on monitor, if you click on monitor here, you can see some message. There's no warning. This is the previous one. This is no us. This is no us. Let me do this first. Let's do this. Let's go on results immediately. Yeah, this is the results immediately. We don't need to take an option. So this is our beam, our baby beam. Let's see how it's gonna rotate. I'm so excited. Let's see. All of the stuff had been here. How can I say? The mesh. Let's see how beam gonna rotate. Let's go here and see. Let's click here and see. Okay. This is how the beam rotates. Correct. Let's do this first. And here, so you're gonna see how the beam rotate. This is our beam. This is our baby. And then you can see when we have this number could be higher, but since we have imports the stiffener inside this beam, the beam is really stable, right? So this is how you can do. And if you wanna check the time out of this, like if you wanna check the frequency of this beam, you just need to go on here on animated time history. Then you can see how it was rotating. Just break here. You can let's add both the initial. Let's do this, and then you can see how it's gonna go slowly. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, this is how it works now. Then you can see how the beam was, with the strength. When you apply strength on these two, on these two nodes here, this is how the beam deflected, deform. Okay, this is everything that we need. And if you find this video entertaining and also educative, guys, support me. I need your support. Just subscribe and share the video, like the video. And also, if you have a question, if you have any project that you want me to do for you, any exercise, anything that's your homework, you can just send me the message to my email or comment below, and then we can talk about it. Okay, take care and bye bye. See you in the next one.